Happy
Fifth anniversary the Climate Reality Project Philippines.
Sa ikalimang anibersaryo, the Climate Reality Project Philippines.
Maligaya at maliwanag na ikalimang pagsilang ng araw, the Climate Reality Project Philippines. Being a part of this community with its diverse clusters and its spectrum of sectors has opened me to so many avenues of climate activism, from energy and education to food and conservation. While our fields are distinct, we know we're all interlinked and we move as one whole. We're one big tribe, our roles prescribed, stronger because of our differences and not despite, and who for our future and our planet will fight. We're one family, empowering each other.
Being a climate reality leader empowered me to pursue the various academic and professional paths that I'm currently on, mostly regarding energy. As we all know, energy is one of the focal points, one of the foundations upon which we can build a sustainable future.
Being a climate reality leader deepened my passion and commitment in making people understand how important it is to take urgent climate action, demand climate justice, and advocate solutions in addressing the climate crisis.
It is our task to educate the public about the harmful effects of climate change and to work towards solutions at the grassroots level. As Pope Francis would say, creation is a gift. It is a wonderful gift that God has given us so that we care for it and we use it for the benefit of all, always with great respect and gratitude.
Being a climate reality leader has given me newfound hope. A hope that's rooted in passionate people working together to create positive change and to realize aspirations that we thought would only be dreams.
Being part of this community made me realize that we as youth can change the world. The vast transition of offline to online made it more challenging, but through the innovation of technologies, information is fast and accessible way. The burning passion of this group made a stronger foundation on its advocacy to alleviate the emerging climate problems in the country. And I hope you can be part of it.
Being a climate reality leader, I am more courageous to reach out to the youth, the fellow advocates, and to the authorities to discuss pressing issues regarding the environment and the urgent need to build it back better. I am bolder and more resolute in taking action for a greener, cleaner, and healthier planet.
The Climate Reality Project Philippines was my ticket back to the climate movement. And I tell you, it's a first-class ticket. I didn't only find my way back to the climate movement, but I also found my niche, a network, reliable friends, and even a family. The Climate Reality Project Philippines and all other Pinoy climate reality leaders helped make our fight bearable.
Being a climate reality leader has allowed me to be part of this bigger community of diverse, committed individuals who are more than willing to share their valuable time, skills, expertise, insights, and their stories to fight this existential crisis that we're in. I'm honored to be part of this community, and I hope that this community will grow 5, 10, and 100-fold. Together, we will survive and thrive.
As a climate reality leader, I'm reminded to educate my students that economic growth is possible with respect for the environment.
With my fellow climate reality leaders, I became more passionate on my advocacy towards the climate crisis. I am now comfortable communicating my climate story to others, inspiring them to do the same. After our first batch encounter, I realized that this is not my fight alone. It is ours, and it is a fight that we can surely win.
Bilang isang climate reality leader, mas lumalim ang aking kalaman tungkol sa climate change at ang epekto nito sa mga tao at sa ating mga nabubuhay na nilalang dito sa mundo. At higit sa lahat, nakakapagbahagi din ako ng aking nalalaman.
Being a climate reality leader gave me a sense of purpose in advocating for the environment, and it led me to become part of a family of kindred spirits.
Being a climate reality leader has enabled me to gain more confidence in our line of work. I have learned that everyone's knowledge, expertise, and experiences are very much valuable and would help us to face the impending impacts of the climate crisis that we face.
As a climate reality leader, I have been empowered not only by knowing everything, but also getting a portal where I get connected to a global community of positive activists changing the world for climate justice. They walk the talk and they inspire us to do more.
As a climate reality leader, I get to work with grassroots movements and international organizations in influencing decision-making on climate policy and sustainable finance through campaigning and strategic communications as we fight for a just and resilient future for all.
Being a climate reality leader opened me up to a really big community of fellow climate activists and advocates. They kept me engaged, educated, and inspired throughout my climate journey.
I am Danny.
My name is John.
I am Laika.
I'm Doc Tony.
I'm Ivana.
I am Carrie.
This is Teacher Ada.
I am Keith Siegfried.
I'm Goldie Hilario.
I am Jemmy.
I am Reed.
Ako, si Marvin Corechea.
I am Che.
I am Jansen Martinez.
I am Aliana.
I am Nikki Eva.
Ako si Paula, ug ako sa Kamapasigarbuhong.
And I'm a proud
Ay proud maging isang
Pinoy
Climate
Reality
leader.